In the event of an emergency, having a well-prepared emergency kit in your vehicle can be a lifesaver. Whether you're on a long road trip, running errands around town, or having to evacuate from your location, it's always a good idea to have emergency supplies in your car. In this video, we will provide you with a checklist to help you create a basic emergency kit for your vehicle. This basic list should be modified based on where you live and what type of extreme weather or disasters you could encounter. A first aid kit is a must-have in your vehicle. Your kit should include basic medical supplies such as bandages, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, and adhesive tape. You can also include some over-the-counter pain relievers and allergy medications. Staying hydrated is essential, especially during an emergency. You should have at least 1 gallon of water stored in your vehicle. You can also include some water purification tablets or a water filter in case you run out of water. You should keep some non-perishable food items in your vehicle's emergency kit. Granola bars, trail mix, and canned goods are good options. Make sure to check the expiration dates on these items regularly and replace them as needed. If you're stranded in your vehicle during the winter months, blankets can help keep you warm. You should have at least one heavy blanket in your emergency kit. Whether you're dealing with changing a tire or putting on snow chains, gloves can help protect your hands and keep them warm. A flashlight can be a valuable tool during an emergency, especially if you are stranded at night. Make sure to have extra batteries stored with your flashlight. If your vehicle's battery dies, having a set of jumper cables can help get your car started again. Make sure you know how to use them correctly. One large can of Fix-A-Flat can temporarily repair a small puncture and help partially reinflate the tire. If your vehicle breaks down on the side of the road, road flares can help alert other drivers to your presence. Make sure to store them in a safe place in your vehicle. A reflective triangle can help notify other drivers that your vehicle is ahead and to be cautious. Duct tape can serve a number of purposes, even keeping things temporarily secured if latches break. A tire pressure gauge is a standard item that every vehicle should have. A multi-tool can be used for a variety of tasks, including cutting seatbelts, breaking windows, and opening cans. Make sure to choose a high-quality multi-tool that includes a variety of options. If you live in an area prone to icy or snowy winter roads, having a set of traction devices for your tires is very important. Make sure you know how to use them before you actually need them. You'll likely already have an ice scraper in your car if you live in a cold winter environment. Keeping your windows clear of ice and snow can help you avoid accidents. There are a number of scenarios where a shovel might be important, to include winter snow and mud. Kitty litter is a must if you drive in winter conditions with icy roads. Sprinkling some cat litter on the ice in front of your tires might help you get enough traction to get you out of a dangerous situation. A dead cell phone battery can be a big problem during an emergency. Make sure to keep a cell phone charger adapter and a power bank in your vehicle's emergency kit. In the event that your GPS or your phone is not working, having a physical map can help you find your way. Make sure to include a detailed map of the area you will be traveling in. A tow strap in your kit can help pull your car out of a stuck situation if another vehicle is available. Always have a small fire extinguisher with a rating of B and C or A, B, and C, as this could help put out a small fire before it gets out of control. These 21 items should be stored in your car at all times. It's recommended that you store them in a tub or a container and not just scattered loosely around the vehicle. Beyond this basic list, consider additional items based on your family's needs. This checklist can help you create a well-prepared emergency kit for your vehicle. Remember to check this kit regularly and ensure that all of the items are in good condition and replace any expired items. Stay safe on the road. This concludes another Build a Kit video in our Emergency Preparedness series. Check out our website to learn more about getting informed, making a plan, building a kit, and staying informed as it relates to your family's emergency preparedness.